Video will show you how to take a JPEG image and put it into a Word document and learn how to type on top of it so you don't have to try to edit in the Adobe Reader if you're frustrated with that. So the first thing you need to do is open a document in Word. Now I'm on a Mac, so if you're on a PC, your Word is going to look slightly different than this, but it'll have the same functions. It'll just probably be in different places. Excuse me. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to insert an image. So go to Insert, Picture, and Picture from File, and then find your JPEG. There should be a file that's called JPEGs, and then click on the one that you want to do, and we're going to work on the March newsletter. So just double click on that, and then you're going to want to make sure that your wrap text is in the right place, and so you want your image behind text. So go to that. Okay, now you just need to click and drag the corners. Never drag from the side or else your image will get distorted. Only click and drag from the corners until it fills the page. Okay, so now it's on the page how you want it. The next thing that you need to do is insert a text box. So go to your text box and draw a text box. And you just draw it where you want it. Okay. And type in what you want. So my ward is Saratoga Hills 4th Ward Relief Society. Okay, now if you click on the box, you can edit the text, the font, the text size, all of that. So the font that I used here is called DJB Coffee Shop Espresso. And I'm going to want it maybe about this, and I want it centered. Now I want to change the color. And this is a fun little trick I'll show you. Come down to more colors, and on any of these you can click, and there's this little eyedropper tool. And what this is you can click on any image in your document and grab that color. Okay, so now I've got that color right there. And now my text is the color that I want. And then all you need to do is just continue adding text boxes where you need them. So I want one maybe right here. You can use your arrow buttons. If you click on the actual box, you can move the box around like that. Make it exactly the size I want it. Click inside, and this is my lesson schedule. Click on the box. Oops. Find my, here we go. And I've got my colors here already. And you just play around with it until you get it exactly how you want it. And you fill in each box. And then when you go to save, you can save it as a Word document, or you can save it as a PDF. And if you want to save it as a JPEG, in the instructions, there's a sheet in the file. There's an instruction sheet that will tell you how to change a PDF to a JPEG. And it's that easy.